So I thought I'd make a little introduction video about what this channel is about. Noticed lately I've been kind of getting more towards just food, which is really just a way to share one of my gifts with other people. I normally hand the food out that I make to people that are around, maybe go down to the food bank, hand it out there. I do start every day with saying, or mostly every day I try to, if I remember, today and every day with God's help, I follow my dreams with a contagious drive, faith, and enthusiasm that brings hope, joy, and happiness to everybody I come in contact with. So that's really what we're trying to do here. Eventually, I plan on doing a little bit more traveling instead of just being in this local area that I'm at right now. I started out in Southern California because where I'm from, Washington, it's really hard to make outdoor cooking videos in the rain. So here you can do it almost every day. Some days it gets a little too hot, I can't do it, but we're still trying. What I want to be able to do is travel around, bring food to people that are in need, and not just people that are in need, but just to be able to make them have a better day by, here, try this. So that's what we're trying to do. A little low on resources right now, but eventually we're going to have different equipment. We're going to be able to travel around, try to make a difference in this world for the positive. And for me, as a start, I'm doing that through food. My goal is that people can see what I'm doing. I just went through a year of rehab, 1 year sober, which is 6 times any length of time I've had since I've been 15 years old. And just see what I'm doing and use it as a positive influence in their life, because a lot of people just don't have a dream or think that it's impossible. I just want people to know that whatever you want to do that could make a positive difference, do it. I mean, even if it's just a little thing, I want to feed thousands of people and just be able to give the food away. That's why I want to do this. Eventually, once the channel grows big enough, I can. Right now, I'm feeding 10 or 15 people at a time. And if I could only do it to 2 or 3 people, I do the same thing. Everything starts somewhere, and you can't grow to what you want to be if you don't just start.